As the National Assembly, we have passed the Political Parties Amendment Bill 2021, I think it's number 56, and I voted for it because I saw it had good provisions where it says political parties fund will be distributed to all political parties which have stood for elections and have been voted for, unlike previously. So that is very good, unlike previously where only parties which had 5% representation or votes would have got the political parties fund. The second thing which I liked about it is the nomination. Nominations would be done by political party list. And the good thing about that one is in 2017, I had registered more than about 30,000 Jubilee members, and I had issued them even with cards. But when we went to nomination, none of those cards were used. I spent so much money in recruiting people and giving them the cards, and I even bought those cards from Jubilee with my own money. But when we went for nominations of Jubilee with my colleague Motia Iringo, there was no register for Jubilee, and those cards were never used. Everybody could vote, and that way the voting was not very good because there was no transparency. We were just using anybody who had an ID could vote. So this time it has been said it will be used political party lists to elect, and there will be either direct or indirect nominations, which has not been there previously. It is allowed by the political parties. I believe the Senate will even pass it because the way it is good, and people who want to go to court, I think they'll be wasting their time, because court should not entertain the things which have gotten approval of Parliament, and there is nothing wrong. We have not infringed on anybody's rights, so I don't even know what they're going to say in court. But we would appreciate if the courts do not issue injunctions unnecessarily, because that will now stifle the Political Parties Act, which we hope to use for this year's elections.